It was another long day of legal wranglings for parties embroiled in the Baha bankruptcy dispute. Now, this comes as representatives from the Attorney General's office laid out its case this morning for the appointment of provisional liquidators to oversee the project. Janae Noel Ferguson leads us off tonight from the Supreme Court.
Attorneys representing stakeholders involved in the Baha dispute, that's the Attorney General's office, Baha, China Construction America, China XM Bank, and other creditors, returned to the Supreme Court Wednesday as the government moves to have provisional liquidators appointed who would gain control of the stalled multi-billion-dollar Baha project. Lead attorney from the Attorney General's office, Peter Knox QC, who replaced Minister of State for Legal Affairs Damian Gomez for fear of accusations of conflict of interest, reasoned why the windup of the 7 Baha companies is necessary. Knox charged that the companies, through its parent company, Baha Limited, has been unable to pay its debt, which ranges in the millions of dollars, and have had no revenue coming in as the opening date for the resort has been indefinite. The company's debt and expenses are expanding. He highlighted government entities owed, including BC, Water and Sewage, the National Insurance Board, business license fees, and the list goes on. This debt alone, Knox says, has made the company undoubtedly insolvent, meaning that they are unable to pay and its liabilities are in excess of a reasonable market value of assets held. The gaming board, represented by Wayne Monroe QC, has also joined the application in an effort to recoup funds owed. Meanwhile, Baha's legal team, Ian Colbert QC and Maurice Glinton QC, had hoped to have the first application filed by the Attorney General struck out. Knox, however, says that regardless of what application is accepted by Justice Ian Winder, their stance to move ahead with provisional liquidators remains unchanged. Janae Noel Ferguson, ZNS Network News.